rules for this battle are simple. Build a homemade boat, stay within the budget, and get to the other side of the pond. Fastest time is the winner. Howdy partners, Captain Ty here, captain of the Stealth Floater. I decided to go with the handy PVC pipe. Welcome to the Plastic Bottle Boat. Captain Cody checking into the game. I will be going with the Catamaran Sailboat. Ladies and gentlemen, these guys clearly have not watched enough television. Welcome to the As Seen on TV boat. Base is made out of some storage containers. This is the stability part of the boat. I know it doesn't look like a boat right now. It looks like a pile of plastic bottles, but that's because you're here now and not once it looks like a boat. I don't know why I made this, but I think this is on sailboats. Basically, I'm trying to make a little contraption right now to just kind of churn butter, really. Water in this case. I am going to take mesh made of metal and I'm going to spray a sealant on it. I went straight through the boat. I'm sinking with that situation, but I've just activated the backup plan. Tape. Oh, here's zip tie. Never say never. Oh, I love building boats, man. It is a great day. There's a lot of excitement in the air right now. Christopher Columbus himself inspired me to create our own boats. My main means of acceleration is the wind. I think it might sail on land if I'm not careful. Ladies and gentlemen, I honestly could not be more proud. I almost wore a suit and tie today because of how confident I am that I'm not getting wet. I just want to direct your attention to the double jet propulsion in the back. I feel like I'm going to fly. You know? Not sure she'll float. She's kind of heavy. At least this will be considered a brutal forearm workout. I switched from the spray-on sealant to the sealed tape. My oar, I literally think I can win. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Stealth Floater. The rear side of the ship is powered by Weed Eater. I attached a metal fan blade. By now you've seen all the boat designs. Comment below who you think's gonna win. Where's the wind? Oh no, his rudder came off! His rudder is... Oh no, an epic failure! The only way to steer his ship is gone! Hey Ty, what do you call somebody who sails? A salesman. Oh, nice, dude. Under 5 minutes! Under 5 minute crossing, I think Christopher would be proud of that. Turns out I'm not a great sailor, but I'm just glad I'm not underwater. Here's the deal, the boat floats. When you put weight on it, the boat does not float. He's off! Oh no! Balance, Dave! Don't think I'm moving, boys. Alright, is it officially over, Gare? It's sinking. Okay, that's all we needed to hear. Good try, Gare. We're proud of you. This is like jet ski meets hovercraft meets Kobe cruising to his second ever victory. Good luck, sir. Here we go, boys. Never seen it. Oh, wow. Wow. There you go. This is so funny. Still going. That is a recyclable jet ski. That's amazing. All right, Corey, you got to beat 3:59. How do you feel? My new boat, renamed the Take Me to Victory, is going to take me all the way across. Guys, it's floating. Oh my gosh, you built a working canoe. No way. Go! Faster! He took a metal mesh and sealed it with tape and is absolutely destroying the competition. It is paying off tremendously, folks. This is gonna be close. Go, Corey! Go! 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 You got this. Into the seaweed, he powers through. All right, he's on the shore. Ladies and gentlemen, with a time of 3 minutes and 5 seconds. No! No! Yeah! Only Tyler can dethrone him at this point, folks. Oh my! Guys, I'm so tired, but I'm so happy right now. I just made a canoe out of tape. All right, folks, it all comes down to this. He's going in! Good luck! Oh my word! He's in the mud, boys! Corey's feeling good right now. This might be the worst design of them all! Oh my god! Oh, poor guy. Oh, we go! He's going! Oh, the winner! Oh, wow! Oh my gosh, I did not see that coming! It was such a good design! Was it?
It's the face of a defeated man.
I was outsmarted today. A little over-engineered. The thought was good, didn't account for the weeds in the pond. Hey, this works great! Let's head to the trophy presentation! Ladies and gentlemen, if we've learned anything today, it's that you're an impressive man, Christopher Columbus. Man, my boat wouldn't have got out of the harbor. Would have lost one right off the bat. Corey, it is not my honor, but it is certainly my duty to present you with the Mayflower Golden Chip. Guys, I am so happy. I just want to say thanks to Chris. You really taught me a lot, and I appreciate it. Who's Chris? Columbus. Chris Tupper. Oh, yeah. Columbus. Obviously, the reason for doing the video. Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah. Anyways, hey, if you don't want to miss out on any new DP videos, make sure you click down here to subscribe. If you want to see the last video, click right here. If you want some awesome DP merch, click right here. Signing out for now. Pound it, noggins.